programming language. So we given as a name programming specifically because we wanted to communicate with our computers right now, with
So I
our
guess you're
computers.
not sharing.
My screen is shared actually. You cannot share this.
No, sir,
No,
not.
sir.
Uh, First earlier you need to tell me. Okay, I'm sharing it. I thought it was shared because it's connected with my iPad now. So that's what I thought about it. Let me just again do it and let me know guys once. Is it shared right now?
Yes, sir, it's
Yeah, yeah.
share.
Huh. So this one. So Python is a programming language, guys. Okay, and we are trying to like what? We are trying to communicate with our computers. Okay, so communication with the computers we wanted to do using our programming language. Okay, evolution of programming language, if you guys have seen little bit and if you have explored about it. So evolution of programming language was from binary to low level system design language, then high level language we are getting it right now. And Python is nothing but it's a high level programming language right now. All these evolution in the language arrived due to what we wanted to communicate with our computers, guys. And if you are able to make the communication with our computers, then we can make our computers to do any set of instruction, and we can give any kind of instructions to our computers and it will do the work for us. Okay, that's what the main fundamental behind it we have it right now. Now, if I'm able to communicate with our computers using programming language right now, that means it will be able to do the different kind of task. It is not able to do only a single kind of task. So that's why I have also explained this thing in your college also, that Python programming language is not meant only to do the data science work or do the NLP work. It is something like that which is meant to be to do every kind of work. Okay, and let me just quickly check one thing because I have enabled recordings, everything automatically. Yeah, it's enabled right now. So yeah, so it is that kind of thing which is capable of solving multiple domain problems right now. So if you wanted to do guys data cleaning, obviously you can do with the Python. If you wanted to do analysis, you can do with the Python. You wanted to create algorithms, machine learning algorithms from scratch, you can do with the Python. You want to design game, you want to do cloud computing. Okay, everything, everything you can do with the Python. So if anyone is asking like, okay, Python is only utilized into the data science and machine learning, no, no, it can be used for doing any kind of n number of works. Actually, n number of works you can do simply with the Python. There is no issues at all. But we are the people who's going to utilize the Python for basically our data science related work, maybe machine learning, maybe API related work, data pipeline related work. Means overall, if you try to see, we are trying to focus more on data centric. Okay. So whatever the data related work we are going to have it there, that we are going to understand with the Python, that we are going to do with the Python actually, data related work. Now, this can be like coming like, okay, we understood what is the purpose of Python for us. We understood what is the purpose of programming language with us right now. But the main thing is that how we are going to use it, what I need to understand this Python, and I can write the some Python programming language and make certain things to do right now. Okay, there are few rules of mine I have right now for understanding any programming language. I'm aware about nearly n number of programming languages from C, C++, Java, Scala also, Python, and all this different kind of programming language. So the rule is very simple. If you wanted to understand programming language, concepts is the first thing is required. Concept should be clear on top notch. If concept is not clear, you forget about it. You're not able to understand it. So concept should be clear, very um, like effortlessly. It should be on top notch. This should be your topmost priority. Every kind of concept that I'm going to explain from now onward, guys. You have any kind of issues, doubts, you can directly turn off your mic and speak to me. You do not need to hesitate anything. I will be not saying anything. You just stop me. I will explain you at that point only. Okay. So concept clarity should be priority for everyone who is attending the session. Then second thing after concept is clear, guys, then you just need to see a little bit of syntaxes, means how this coding will be written there. What is the syntaxes we have? Semicolons, columns, comma, indentation, all these things you need to see there. Concept is clear, syntax is clear, and then third thing, what is there right now? Logics. And after concepts is clear, guys, I give the most priority to the logics. Okay, so both are very it's our main priority actually, logic building. And everyone wanted to achieve this thing, how to build a quick logic for any kind of questions there. And that is not going to come just by seeing one and two or three number of questions and all this thing. You have to solve a huge number of the problem statement. Then after some point of time you will be feeling that okay, any new kind of question, whether it's asked in an interview, whether it will be asked anywhere, you if you are getting any new kind of question there, guys, then what you will be happening, you will be able to make the logic very quickly. So that's very important. Concepts and logics are very important right now. Syntaxes we will understand. Syntax okay, one and two times we'll see, and syntaxes we will understand right now. So these things we are going to understand properly. So the first thing that we are going to understand right now, concepts. What are the few concepts we have? And concepts in any programming language, overall it is quite same, guys. It's not like that very drastic differences between the concepts from Python to Java or Python to C++ we have. Okay, concepts are quite similar. Okay,